There are 3 levels of auditory training. Okay, tatlong level ng auditory training. Which among these should be excluded from the list? Ibig sabihin, alin dito yung hindi kasama no, sa ating levels of auditory training? Would this be letter A, detecting, letter B, delivering, letter C, discriminating, or letter D, identifying? What is our choice? Ilagay po sa ating comment box. Tumpak na choice po natin dito, alin ang hindi kasama, excluded from the list. The right choice is letter B. Okay, delivering ang ating pong hinahanap. Okay, so medyo bago siguro no, sa ating paningin, di ba? So letter B is the right choice. Alright, no? So these are the different levels in our auditory processing. Okay, so pinangungunahan po yan ng tatlong importanteng level po muna. No? The first one is detection or awareness. Ibig sabihin, no, nasi-sense mo yung sound, di ba? So for you to check whether meron siyang detection or awareness, po pwede kang magbigay ng hearing test or hearing aid, no? Kung wala siyang detection or awareness ng sound, hindi niya nahahagilap, no? Hindi niya nasi-sense yung sound sa paligid niya. Now, when you say discrimination naman, alam mo kung saan galing yung sound na to, no? So, na-discriminate mo, ano ba to? Sound ba to ng mingming? Or sound ba to ng aso, no? At teka lang, sound ba to ng e-bike? May sound ba yung e-bike? No? Sound ba to ng e-bike, ng car, or sound ba to ng isang 10-wheeler truck, di ba? So that's discrimination. And finally, after you discriminate, no, you identify yung, alam mo na, hindi ito e-bike, no? Hindi ito simpleng car or motor. Ito isang 10-wheeler truck, okay? So that's your identification. Of course, comprehension naman po, alam mo, you are aware that this is not just a sound, no? So ibig sabihin, alam mo na 10-wheeler truck, yung paparating at alam mo na hindi po pwedeng mag-cross ka ngayon ng street kasi kapag ginawa mo yun, ma-aksidente ka, di ba? So that's comprehension, understanding, and awareness na this sound is part of your environment and this part may affect you, okay? So that's your detection, discrimination, identification, and comprehension para mas mabilis nating maalala, no? Dapat daw iwasan ng chismis. Aba, dapat daw iwasan ng chismis ayon ng mga marites nito. Okay? Dapat daw iwasan ng chismis, no? Detection, discrimination, identification, and comprehension. So hindi po kasama ang delivering. So letter B ang ating hinahanap.